Question number 24 in the series is absolute value of x minus 5 is equal to 10. Now what is an absolute value? Suppose if you have negative 10 inside this absolute sign, that will be positive 10. And if it is already positive, okay, then it is 10. So it can be minus 10 or it can be plus 10. In both the cases, absolute value will be plus 10, right? So here if I have modulus of x minus 5, it is also known as modulus sign or absolute sign, that is equal to 10. That means this x minus 5 can be plus 10 or minus 10. If we have to write two values, we do it like this. It can be plus 10 or it can be minus 10. That means I am writing two equations in one attempt. So in next part, we will just separate these two values. It can be plus 10 or it can be minus 10. Because the absolute value of both negative 10 and 10 is 10. Now let's solve. Adding 5 on both sides. If I say adding 5 on both sides, that means it is being cancelled and I am not writing it. So x is equal to 15. Okay, and in the next step, what can be the other value? Here also I am adding 5 on both sides. Minus 10 plus 5 cancelled. So x is equal to minus 10 plus 5 is minus 5 or negative 5. So that means if x takes 15 or negative 5, in both the cases solution will be 10. Now let's check our answer, it's right or wrong. If I put x is equal to 15, now I am checking my answer. If I put x is equal to 15, right, let's see what happens. I am going to get 15 minus 5, right? I am plugging in equation. This is equal to 10, right? And if I am plugging in minus 5 as place of x, so it's negative 10 inside the modulus sign, which is 10. That means x can take two values, 15 and negative 5. So one possible solution can be 15 or it can be negative 5. Correct?